In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Agoda Booking ID. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy-to-follow way so you can quickly find your booking information whenever you need it. Whether you travel frequently or you're preparing for your very first trip, knowing how to access your Agoda Booking ID can make managing your reservations much more convenient and stress-free. To get started, open Agoda and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which serves as the central place for all your travel-related activities. This area allows you to manage reservations, review trip details, and keep track of your bookings all in one location. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Depending on your account settings, it may appear as a small profile image, an initial, or a simple account symbol. Click on that icon to open the account menu. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several account management options. From this list, select the My Trips section. This page is especially useful because it organizes all of your Agoda reservations into one convenient location, making it easier to review your travel history and current bookings whenever necessary. Inside the My Trips section, you'll notice that your reservations are divided into different categories. These sections usually include upcoming, completed, and canceled bookings. The Upcoming tab displays reservations for trips that are scheduled in the future, allowing you to review important travel information before your journey begins. The Completed section stores details from your previous trips, which can be useful if you need to look back at past reservations or travel plans. The Canceled tab keeps a record of any bookings that were canceled, helping you stay organized and informed about your account activity. To find your Agoda Booking ID, select the category that matches the status of your reservation. For example, if your booking is still active and scheduled for a future date, open the Upcoming tab. Once you see the list of reservations, click on the specific booking you want to review. After opening the reservation details, you'll be taken to a page that displays all the important information related to your booking. This includes accommodation details, travel dates, and, most importantly, your Agoda Booking ID. The booking ID is usually clearly visible on the reservation details page, making it easy to reference whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your Agoda Booking ID quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.